Today we'll discuss about how to install Java. So what are the software while we need to run the Java program or we have to work on in Java platform application. So what are the Java related software is required. So mostly we have a JDK, JRE will be there. So we'll go through this step by step how we will install this and the Java, where we have to set the path, and if Java is installed or not in my machine, how you will confirm like is Java is there or not. So if you're in your machine Java is not there, first you have to check in this cmd there we have to check the version like Java version, so that we will get it now like Java is installed or not. So Java hyphen version. So see, Java is showing like internal and external, not recognized for internet, means Java version is not there. After that you have to see also in this program features control panel, programs and features, there Java is not there, in your machine JDK or Java is not there. Also you have to check like while you open any file explorer there, all the installed things will come in the C drive. So in program files or program file 86, some of the system will have a 64, 32, 86 and all, depends on that. You have to check is there any Java related folder has created. If not, means your system doesn't have any Java. Then how you will do, first you have to click on this link which I have attached in the comment descriptions. So this is the Java. So this is the step of installation of Java, step by step. If you want to follow this, then you will get it the step-by-step installation in this Java related. So if you want to install this Java in Windows machine of, then you have to do this step. First verify Java is installed or not. So Java C also is the way where we can verify Java is there or not, like Java C, same way. So they verified Java is not there. After that what happened, they downloaded JDK. So click on this link, you'll get the download of this page. Is not working because it's not open source. Okay, so what we'll do, this JDK we have to download from here. So this is the link where we have to download the JDK, and for me is 86 x86 is their process. So we will download the JDK of 8. So either we have multiple or there is, so anyone you can download and extract and try to install, but this is for Linux, Mac, Solaris and Windows. I'm going for the Windows. So Windows we have two things, one is for x64 installer, another is 86. For me is 86 because if you go here, see this is program files where C drive, this is my 86, so I'm going for the 86. So you have to download this, accept this term and condition, download the JDK. Once you will download the JDK, they will ask some logged in, so we have to do this. So once you will logged in this Oracle account, then you will get JDK installed. So I have already downloaded, I logged in with my credential with the username password. If you don't have, you can create here and then you will get it here. This JDK has been installed. So once installed, it will go for the download path. You can go here and then try to install. So I'm creating one folder which will be taken all the software detail. Yeah, so if you want to download this one, then you have to click on this and then download and install this one, because see it will ask for this access. Yes, next if you want, you can change this public GRE source and all on the path, but by default it will go for the C program file 86 Java. The Java folder will be created in 1.8 because I'm installing 1.8 Java version, so that will be installed. So this is the where link it will be go, and once the JDK will be installed, see it is asking for the next, then we will go for the next. See, this is install the JDK. So next I'm doing, will continue asking for this path of install path, so that by default program file 86 for this, and then next, and then copying, downloading, and then next. After that installing, the same thing is happening for me. So installation setup successfully, correct. Now what you have to do, see, this one has completed, installation setup is completed. The still step 3 I completed. Now after that, what is the step 4? Set the permanent path. So how we will set the permanent path? Because once your Java is installed JDK, then you have to open this PC property, and then in property advanced system setting. Inside that we have a advanced and environment variable. So click on environment variable. There you have to set the path. So that path will be JDK bin path. And after that we will see the Java C Java version is coming or not. So same I am going to do this one. So I am going for this. So this is downloaded, I install. After that I am going for the pro C drive. Inside this PC will have a property, this property. Inside we have to see advanced system setting is there, so click on that, and after that in advanced we have an environment variable. You can go for this environment variable and then add the path. So how you will add this path? So here what they have done, click on that advanced level and environment variable to continue and set the path. So this is the path, so Java path we can see. And mention the JDK. So what you have to do, inside path we have already there. So this path, add it, else what you have to do here, this is this. The first you have to check Java is there or not in program file 86. See, Java is there, click on that. So we have JDK JRE. So that JDK till bin path you have to copy, and then copy this one and come to this environment variable. Here create JDK home or path, Java home we can say, -home, and place this path. After that, okay, now you can close this command and open this new command and check Java is installed or not. So the same thing is happening here. What they are doing, open the CMD and check Java C. So I open CMD, now I'm checking Java C, Java hyphen. So Java hyphen version means Java is there. And if Java C is not happening, then in that cases we have a JRE. It's also there, JRE bin. Now Java has been installed successfully. You see here, Java version 1.8.0371. So this is the same version. Inside that JRE is also there, so that will be run, not an issue for that. Yeah, so that way we can install this JDK, and inside we have already JRE, so no need to define the path of JRE. Automatically it will taken care, because I taken this one bin path. If you want, you can add this also, JRE bin. This path also you can add. Yeah, so that's if you want, you can add. So how you will add this one? You can go for this system environment variable, advanced setting, then environment, and here JRE home. Yeah, so that's it for this Java installation. You can verify these changes. Java hyphen version, and see, Java is not recognizing. Why? Let's see. Come. Yeah, so that way we can install. So this is the way, and why JRE is not showing, for that we have to place in this path inside this edit. JRE till pin. Okay, I forgot this pin path is required. JRE pin path is there. It's not opening. Then here we have to edit. Pin. Then open the CMD. Anyway, we have already installed this JDK. So see, if you open CMD, JDK is there. So Java hyphen version is there. So that will be build of the JDK. So we can run this application with any issue. If any ID is required, JRE, then you can copy this JRE path, so automatically runtime environment will be created. Yeah, so that's it. To, if you want, you can prefer this link to install this Java. Yeah, thank you for that.